Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Practical Organic Living. In today's episode, we're going to test and review this kitchen composter called the Reencle. So on this channel, we promote a lot of ways on how you can compost and do it practically. So by using kitchen composters and other ways of composting, we hope that everybody here can compost a little bit more. So the first thing to note is that it's a little bit expensive. So if you're not in the market for expensive composter, this may not be for you. For those of us who have the budget to spend a few hundred US dollars, this may be an option for you. And we're gonna find that out for ourselves after we test this composter too. Just a disclaimer, we're not sponsored by this company or any other companies we review. We just wanted to provide an honest review of this composter and see whether it works well or not. So now we're gonna unbox the Gravity model, which is their newest and bigger versions, and let's see what we find. All right, the first thing we're gonna see when we open this is the accessories toolbox. We'll open this up later. Some plastic, and this is the actual composter. So it's nice that they've wrapped this in plastic to prevent this from being damaged during transit. So I'm gonna take this out of the box right now. And since it's heavy, I guess you can just lift this plastic. So I'm gonna unwrap this plastic wrapping now, and we're gonna see what it looks like. So I'm gonna remove the plastic wrapper from the machines. All right, so this is the front. This is where there's motion sensor. It'll open the lid if you put your feet, for example, over here. This is useful because if you're in the house and you treat this like a trash can, this will just open. And this is the front of the panel. So basically, you press this to power on the machine. If it's really wet inside, you can press this to help dry the inside out. And if it stinks too much, you can press this to help purify it. And this is how you open the lid. You can also just actually lift this up like this, which I'll do right now because this lets you see what's inside. So this is a filter here. And this is what's really powering the Reencle inside. So it helps turn the contents inside. So as you can see, it holds a pretty decent volume of kitchen scraps. And this is useful because as you add kitchen scraps, the volume will slowly shrink. So let me shut the lid down and show you what's on the back. Yeah, so on the back, you'll see that there's a carbon filter here. And you can see that the air goes through the machine, comes out through here, and it's going to go through this carbon filter. So right now I have to put this in, so that's all I'll do right now. All right, so before you put this in, it tells you to remove the sticker. And it's pretty easy to put in. All you gotta do is go like this, make sure the latches here align, and just put in just like this. And to lock it in place, you actually have to turn this. You want to use a screwdriver to turn that, so I would do that right now. And they tell you to replace it every 6 months to a year, depending on how much you use it. So we're going to open this Gravity's accessories toolbox here and see what's inside. So this is what's inside. There's a whole bunch of stuff. There's a user manual here, some precautions, some guides. This is basically a scooper that you can scoop the compost with, and you can hang it on the side of the machine. So they give you two different kinds. I actually use both to scoop. This is to kind of scrape down the sides if there are things stuck on the sides. This is very helpful. This is something you can put on the side. This is the compost booster. It helps to reinvigorate the microorganisms. This is the compost starter, which I will be pouring into the Reencle very soon and show you guys what it looks like. And this is the power adapter. This is a regular power adapter. Yeah, so I'm just gonna plug in the power adapter now. Plug it into this wall here, and then plug it to the back of the machine. All right, I'm gonna power this on, just make sure it works. Yeah, so this is what happens. This is what it looks like. It just basically tells you how long this thing's been going on for, which right now is 0 minutes because I just started this and didn't put anything in. So if you want to open, you can go like this and open. All right, the first thing I'm gonna do is put in this compost starter. So they provide this bag right here, and I'm just gonna open this. So I'm gonna open this and pour it into the machine. Yeah, so if you look at this, it's basically a bunch of wood pellets and looks like activated carbon. And the white stuff is their microorganism. And the next thing you're gonna do is pour in 60 ounces of water. So I've got a couple of mason jars here. And then the manual says to let this get started for 3 to 6 hours. So I'm going to shut this now. So we peek in real quick. We can see what the machine has done in just a couple of seconds. See? The machine is slowly starting to turn. And you can see the wood pellets are starting to dissolve. All right, so we're going to let this activate and we'll come back in 3 hours. All right, so it's been 3 hours as you can see from the display, and the compost activator inside should be working by now. So I'm gonna lift the lid right now. Let's just see what it looks like. So you can see, I mean, it looks like decomposed sawdust pellets. Yeah, it's warm, it's not hot. I think our compost is ready to go in. So as you can see, we have a whole bunch of fruit peels and tea bags and kitchen scraps, coffee grounds, and eggshells. We're gonna put this inside the Reencle. So I'm gonna open the lid here and I'm gonna dump everything inside. So this is what it looks like inside, and we'll see how this turns out in the next 24 hours. So as you can see from the display, it's been 24 hours. So what we're gonna do now is to see what it looks like inside. I'm gonna open this now. So if you look at it inside, I'm just gonna use my hands and show you what it looks like, and I'll tell you how it feels. So inside it feels dry enough, doesn't feel that moist. So remember, we put a whole bunch of stuff in here, and as you can see, I don't really see a lot of it. It's mostly gone. And I can smell real quick. It smells like wood pellets, honestly. There's no smell, there's no coffee or fruit peels or anything like that. It just smells like wood shavings, actually. The texture is like almost like laundry fluff. That's what it feels like, along with some bits of activated charcoal or carbon. It's not too wet, not too dry. So yeah, I mean, this was just 24 hours. I think in 40 hours, you'd probably get more decomposition. Yeah, overall, I'm pretty impressed with how this turned out. Yeah, so we hope you enjoyed this honest review of the Reencle Gravity Composter. We tried to simulate what an average household would put in their kitchen composter. And in 24 hours, we got pretty broken down compost. Now, some tips on using this machine. This machine is really for indoor use. What we actually do is we put this in our garage because we don't want the composters to emit any foul odor. When we smelled the compost, it didn't smell funny or funky at all, but I think if you're a little bit sensitive to smell, you may want to consider putting this somewhere kind of away from where you would normally be at. Hopefully we provided you with some suggestions and some tips on how to use this particular kitchen composter. Again, this is not a paid review, but what we want to inspire everyone to do is to compost as much of their food waste as possible. So hopefully this is one of the options you guys can use to compost your kitchen food waste. That's it for this video, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.